Acer recently reached out to me to test their new Enduro N3 laptop, a laptop computer that was designed to handle unpredictable outdoor conditions. I've been using laptop computers for astrophotography to control my imaging sessions for the last 10 years, and there's something that all of the laptops I had until this one had in common, and that was they weren't meant to be used outside. For a successful night of deep sky astrophotography, you need everything to go right. We spend so much time and energy and hours of collecting these amazing images of deep sky objects in space that are thousands of light years away. To lose your data from something as silly as your laptop getting too cold or getting moisture on it or dropping it would be a huge shame. Investing in a laptop that was actually designed for outdoor professionals, probably a smart move. There's several features of the Enduro N3 that I feel are a great fit for amateur astrophotographers. Some of the places that we do astrophotography are in the desert, so they're under extreme heat and sun during the day, and then the temperature gets really cold at night. Here in Canada, we get all 4 seasons. We get everything from the icy cold snow to these hot, humid summer nights. It really is a demanding environment for a laptop computer to be outside. Another one that really applies to astrophotographers is the water resistant. It has the aquafan technology that repels water. So what happens to our astrophotography gear without fail through a night of imaging is that it gets covered in moisture throughout the night. The telescopes and our cameras, they're kind of meant to be outside, but your computer certainly isn't. So having a laptop that's able to get wet and still function properly is really important for astrophotographers. It's impact resistant. This hobby is done in the dark. It wouldn't take much to knock something over, and believe me, it's happened. God forbid you knock over your laptop computer and it smashes and corrupts your data you worked so hard to collect.